Good morning, everyone. This is Miss Neha here, and today we will continue with our next lesson, lesson 3. I hope everyone is doing great. I hope everyone is safe. Please take care of yourself and your family. So, today our lesson is build and draw 2D shapes by attributes. Page numbers are 759 and 762. 759 till 762, and our homework pages are 763 till 764, and today is 14th of April 2020. So what are we going to learn in this lesson? We are going to use materials to build and draw 2D shapes. So this lesson is going to be fun for all of you kids because you need to take materials and you have to build a 2D shape. Now, what are the materials you need for this lesson? You need scissors, paper clips, colored papers, pencils, color pencils, straws, or pipe cleaners. You can also have string or any other material. If you have, you can take it, but these are the materials that you will need for this lesson. Now let's take a review on what we took yesterday. We learned that the shapes are defined by number of straight sides, right? The shapes are defined by number of straight sides, they're defined by vertices, and they are closed shape. How can I say this shape is a triangle? So we know, like you can see over here on top, all these shapes are same, right? Because the number of sides, they all have 3 sides. You can see here, they all have 3 sides. They all have 3 vertices. See, 1, 2, 3. All have 3 vertices, and they all are closed shape. It means if I start from here, if I place my finger here, and then all the way I go and I end up to the same point here. So all these shapes are closed shape. Then we also learned that shapes are not defined by color, size, and position. Now here, as you can see, this is what shape is this? It's excellent. It's a rectangle, right? It's a rectangle. This one, bravo, hexagon. Hexagon. This one, triangle. Good job. And this one, square. Now I cannot say it just because they all are red in color, they all are same. No, even the sizes, one might be big, another might be small, or the position, you see, they are not in same position, they all are in different position. So here you can say that the shapes are not defined by the color, by their color, size, and position. Now let's watch the video.
How can you create a shape? Let's look at 2 examples to find out. Shapes can be made using all kinds of materials. Let's make a triangle. You have to think about how your shape looks. What makes a triangle a triangle? A triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. 1, 2, 3. Is this a triangle? Yes, It is a triangle too. Why is it a triangle?
Why is it triangle, kids? Because
It looks a little different, but it is still a triangle. The shape has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Triangles are fun to make.
so here you can see you can make shapes. Here they have make a triangle. If I want to make a triangle, I should know that a triangle has 3 straight sides and 3 vertices. So if I know this thing about the shape, I can easily make a triangle. Now, how to make a 2D shape? 2D shape can be made by using all kinds of materials. You can choose color papers, pipe cleaners, straws, paper clips. You can use any of the materials to make any shape. Now here, what shape is it? Can you tell me what shape is this? Bravo, it's a square. It's a square, right? Now, how do I know it's a square? I know a square has 4 equal sides, right? You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. All the sides are equal and it has 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I can do is I can take any of the material. I will choose a pipe cleaner here, okay? So I can cut my pipe cleaners into 4 equal shapes and then I can place it together to make a square. Now, as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is a square. I know that a square has 4 vertices and it has 4 equal sides. It's fun, right? Yes. Now let's take another shape. Now what shape is this? Come on kids, tell me what shape is this? It's a triangle. Bravo. It's a triangle. Now, how do I know it's a triangle? I have learned that a triangle has 3 vertices and 3 straight sides. 1, 2, 3. Now I can use any of the material. I can cut a paper or I can use a string. I can use my color pencil. I can use paper clips. Here I will go for a pipe cleaner. So 1, 2, and 3. You see? This is a triangle. I made a triangle with a pipe cleaner. You can also take clay. You can use clay to make shapes. Now let's begin with our lesson. Page number 759. Use the items your teacher gave you to make 2 different rectangles. Tell what makes each shape a rectangle. Now, what are the attributes of rectangle? What did we learn about rectangle? We learned that a rectangle is a shape. It has 4, let me choose another color. Okay. It has 4 sides, but 2 pairs of sides are equal. Not all the sides are equal in rectangle. Only 2 sides, 2 opposite sides are equal. And we also learned that it has 4 vertices. Now I know this is the attribute for a rectangle. I can draw a rectangle. Now here, what you can do is you can take a paper or pencil or paper clip I will go for paper clip and two different pencils, and I'm going to place two rectangles. Now here I'm using a rectangle using my paper clips. So I put all my paper clips like this, and this is a rectangle. You see on top, when you see over here on top, I have three paper clips. I place three paper clips on top and bottom, and on the sides there are two paper clips. Now I can say that these two are equal and these two are equal. So it's a rectangle and they all are straight and it has four corners. So it's a rectangle. Now I want to make another rectangle here. What I can do is I can take two pencils, two long pencil, and I can take two short pencil. Now you see here, this is a rectangle. You can also cut a shape of a rectangle on a paper and you can stick it to your book. You can use pipe cleaners, you can use string. There are many materials you can use to make 2D shapes. Okay, kids? Next, page number 760. Make a square. Use materials your teacher gives you. Glue or tape the square in the box. Explain how you know it's a square. Now, what are the attributes of square we learned? We learned that square is a shape. It has four equal sides, right? All the sides are equal for a square, and also four vertices. So now I can easily draw or I can cut a square. Now here I cut on a paper, on a green color paper, a square, and I can stick it over here. It's a square. Why is a square? Because once again, it has four corners and four straight sides. See? So it's a square and they all are equal. Let's move to our next page. 761. Now this will be an independent practice for you. I will explain you and you will do it. Use materials your teacher gives you to make each shape. Glue or tape the shape in the box. Explain how you know the shape is correct. Make a circle. Now you know how to make a circle. Circle is the only shape that do not have any sides. It does not have vertices. It's just round. So you can easily cut a circle and you can paste over here. Number 3, make a rectangle. This is exactly the same way you can do as we did on the first page. You can cut a rectangle, any color paper, and you can stick it here. Number 4, Carlos made the shapes below. He says they both are squares. Is he correct? Explain. Now look at these two shapes. Do you think they both are same? They both are squares? Yes or no? No, they both are not square. Only the green one is the square. Why? Because all the sides are equal. Very good. In the rectangle, all the sides are not equal. So you can write your explanation here. Okay? Now let's move to our last page. 762. Draw a picture to solve each problem below. Use pattern blocks to help you. Now draw a picture. You have to draw a picture here. I will solve with you question number 5, and then the rest you can do it by yourself. Sandy makes a closed shape with 4 equal sides. What shape did she make? Come on, kids, tell me, which shape has 4 equal sides? Bravo, a square. So here, In the box, you can draw a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has 4 equal sides. Easy? Yes. Now, question number 6. Miguel makes a closed shape with 3 straight sides and 3 vertices. What shape did Miguel make? Now you know which shape has 3 straight sides and 3 vertices. Write the name of the shape over here, and you can cut any color paper and you can paste it over here. Question number 7. Use a piece of paper to make a square, then turn the square into a triangle. What did you do? What you need to do is take a square and fold it into a triangle. What did you do? We just fold it, right? You will fold it and then it becomes a triangle. Before it has 4 vertices, now it has only 3 vertices. So it's a triangle now. Question number 8. Mark wants to use straws to make a hexagon. Use the dots to draw straight lines that show Mark how the hexagon would look. Now what you need to do, connect the dots over here, and then you will get your shape hexagon. Thank you very much, all of you. Stay safe, stay clean. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Take care. See you tomorrow.